If you are using destination filter, are you getting requests coming in? Or
Please watch this.
are you not?
Watch this.
This is something that some people have been complaining about, and even Sergio has been having issues when it comes to setting your destination filter and not getting pings because, well, essentially your car's not on the line. So we have a video right here. It's a screenshot of Sergio, what he did with the workaround of it. So unfortunately, again, this is some bullshit that we got to do in order to get online just to use our destination filters of where we want to stay in with the area. So check this out.
Glitch, or is it intentional? Is it happening to anybody else? The other day I was doing a ride challenge, so obviously I set my area filter like I'm doing now. I love the area filter, so I go to set it, stay within the area. I set it to 5 miles. Perfect for short trips in a busy time of the day. Set filter. I am ready to set the filter for 3 hours. All right, filter is set. I am online. What I've discovered though, I did not get any pings for 15 minutes. I was wondering if Lyft was showing my car as available on the passenger app. So what do? You go to the Lyft passenger app, turn it on. Oh, look at that. My car is not showing. No wonder I'm not getting any pings. Well, here's the trick to solve this problem. Pick a destination. I'm going to pick the Northridge Fashion Center and order a trip. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Miracle of miracles. My car showed up. Now you do not exit the app, the passenger app. You go back. Now the car is showing. Now I'm online. Well, I will be getting trips. If this is happening to you, definitely use this get around until the glitch is fixed. Or is it intentional, like I said? This is happening on destination filter and area filter. When you set it, your car is not showing up and you will not be getting any trips. So much for that.
All right.
So
yeah.
If you're having that problem, I saw a couple of people in the chat saying, they haven't been getting requests or it's been happening to them. So that is the workaround right now when it comes to it. Unfortunately, you need a workaround. Again, why does these things have to happen? So either way, if you are realizing this, if you have your destination filters on, if you're not getting ride requests coming in, make sure you check the app to see if your car is showing up on the passenger platform and use that workaround.
Yep. And this happens every single time I set my area filter. I did 12 trips yesterday. After this, I'm going to go do it again. I'm going to do a few trips. I got to finish my 28. This is unequivocally happening every single time. When I turn the app on, just on, to accept all trips, I always go to my passenger app anyway on both apps when I'm driving, right? I look at it. When the app is on, absolutely, my car shows up immediately, maybe within 3 seconds with the network latency, okay? When I set my area filter, 5 miles, 7 miles, 10 miles, whatever it is, or when I set my DF with the timer or without the timer, I go to my passenger app, my car is not there. So I discovered this when I was doing a couple hundred trips 3 or 4 weeks ago for Lyft. I didn't get any pings. At 5 p.m., I'm in the busiest area with a college next to me, no pings whatsoever. I'm going like, what the hell is going on? So I go to my passenger app, I discovered it. Well, I go, wait a minute, why is my car not showing? So I turned the apps off, got back on, still my car is not showing. Well, if your car is not showing to the system, you are not going to get pinged, period. There's no ifs and buts about it. What I did, though, I go, okay, let me order a trip. So I go order a trip. I don't force close. I just click the back button and car shows up. Now, when I'm driving and with my area filter, guess what, people? Every single time when I finish the trip, I go to the passenger app to see if my car is there. If my car is not there, sometimes they do a little glitchy thing. They take your car off when you finish the trip. I go, no, sir, no. Order myself a trip. Again, you're not ordering a trip. You're just pricing a trip. Then the car immediately shows up. Then I start getting pings again. Now, this has been happening to some people, like our Gabe in San Francisco, even when they turn the app on, straight up, no AF, no area filter, no destination filter. The guy goes, I'm about to finish. I have like 14 trips to do to get my ride challenge done. He goes, my car is not showing. I go price it and price a trip. He goes, my car is still not showing up. They're throttling me. That I don't know. In my area in LA, when I turn the app on, my car is immediately showing, maybe 3 to 4 seconds later. When I do area filter and destination filter, it is not. This is the get around. That's why you guys watch us. This is how you make yourself appear, as opposed to them telling you to disappear. So this will make you guys some money. This will make you finish your area filters faster. So if you have 2 phones like I do, you can watch yourself on the other phone, but just for purposes of 1 phone, I showed it to you guys on the same phone. But even if you have 1 phone, just toggle between the apps constantly to see if you're on the passenger app. If you're not going to get pinged, and you're not going to finish your ride challenge or whatever else you guys are working on. So there you go.
Yep. So just pay attention. And again, more things to pay attention to. Unfortunately, it doesn't end when it comes to it. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.